Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. We are going to continue our discussion on anatomical landmarks, and in this case, we are taking a look at a figure in posterior view. Again, this figure comes from the Anatomy and Physiology OpenStax textbook. First, we will go ahead and start with the head. We use the term cephalic for the head. We know from our prior video that the neck is called, you got it, cervical. We see that again in this posterior view. If we go now to this side here and work our way down, the shoulder is acromial. The back is going to be dorsal. The back of the elbow is olecranon. The lower back is lumbar. When we're talking about the buttocks, we use gluteal. The back of the knee, popliteal. The calf, sural. The heel, calcaneal. And then the sole of the foot would be plantar.